What is going on today, guys? I hope you all are having a great day. Wherever you are, I hope the weather is nicer than it is here in Colorado. You wouldn't believe me, but it snowed like 4 inches yesterday. And it's kind of not exactly warm, and it's really humid, which is weird for Colorado. But anyways, today is Adams Polish's annual tent sale at their Colorado location, and we have got to get going to that. We got to be there by about 8:15, and it is currently a bit before 8:15, so we got to go. Because we got to get in line because they have doorbusters, and they got big savings, like up to 70% off, and I want to get there early so I can actually get them before they run out. So, let's get going. There are many people. Adams is back behind there, and ooh, Pontiac. But yeah, there's a lot of people. So the last time they had this was 2 years ago, and 2 years ago, the line of people alone stretched all the way out to about here, and it was right after Cars and Coffee, so everybody went straight from Cars and Coffee to this. That is a KPMF Matte Ice Titanium, Matte Ice Amethyst Titanium Scion XB. So I've got my shopping list of everything I want, and hopefully we can get most of it, but there's also a lot more people here than I thought there would be. Just came by and gave us a free cinnamon air freshener. It smells really good. Also, that feels amazing. But we are about to get in. We've been here over an hour and we're just now getting in. This place is completely packed. This is the line of everybody in here. So this is all the stuff that they use in their product reviews and their showcases that they've opened up. They have a lot of stuff back here. Okay, they got stuff. They got towels, and I'm digging for the towels I need. These are all shop towels, it looks like. I think they're double softs. I'm not 100% certain. I need these, I think. I'm not certain which ones I need. Cool, so we do need one of these. It's a detailing stool. This will make my life a lot easier. So this is everything we could find at the tent sale because they kind of we did not get here early enough. I'm gonna go through the stuff that they have in here. This is all 20% off, see what they have that I need. I do believe we got quite a bit of stuff. Okay, I'm running to go get the car because we cleaned shop. I'm sorry I wasn't able to film as much as I wanted. They were playing copyrighted music the entire time, and yeah, that would get me demonetized. But I'm getting the car, then you'll see all my stuff. Hey, that's Caden. I recognize him. He is an idiot for trying to park up here. Or did he found a spot up here? Wow. Yeah, we clean shop. I'm sorry, sir, you can't park here. You're gonna have to move. Hi.
Hi.
We clean stuff. I have to go get my car. Then you're gonna see how much stuff we got.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, that says a lot. It's a madhouse in there.
I bet.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get my car. I'll be like, I like this. Wow. I like that a lot. That is a very interesting color on that Hemi. Okay, made it back to the car. Now to run back. Very fast. But I'm also at a place with a bunch of car guys, so I have to have my exhaust open because yes. And now comes the fun game of how does this all fit in the car?
Yeah, maybe we should have brought the Jeep.
Yeah, no. I didn't think that would be in that big of a box.
What's up, Kane?
Okay. It fits. It's perfect. Should I put that in?
Alright, thank you guys for coming.
Thanks, man. Perfect, thank you. Yeah, you think we got enough stuff?
I think that's plenty.
Are you just picking to see what you want or you're gonna take? You want a cinnamon air freshener?
Do I want it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Do you want it?
That's very strong.
Yes. My back pocket now smells like cinnamon.
Yeah.
Probably
I don't
permanently.
know if I want my car that strong of cinnamon.
Because I've got 2 of them. You can put it in there. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. This is a bunch of stuff.
Ooh.
Yeah, I got another thing of graphene. No, that's mine. I had to search for that too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Something they did say. Colors are different. Everything else is exactly the same about it, but because they're bottom of the barrel stuff, the colors are screwed up and they can't sell them.
So whatever it says on the label, that is what
That is correct. And it will have, oh, I'm sorry. It'll have the exact same properties as everything else.
It just may look slightly different.
It'll look weird, and that's the only difference.
Okay. So they're just trying to warn you when nothing wrong with the color.
Yeah, that's why the color's off. I like the M3 comp. You go in the back. Perfect.
Thanks guys, you really couldn't have parked that one better.
Okay, so I was not able to record as much in there as I wanted because they were playing copyright music, and I am really sorry about that. So I figure instead I'll run through everything I got back here and then show y'all everything that I got, and you guys can see just how much of a savings this was, because this was insane. Each one of these bottles was $5. These were all $2. This was $5. I'm pretty sure this was $20. And it's normally 35 or 40. This was $2. These were free. They're cinnamon. These were $20, or no, these weren't. This one wasn't. I think these two were. Some of the stuff we also bought regular because I didn't have any, and it was stuff I needed anyway, so I didn't buy strip wash. Fuck. Okay, these were all the things that we got at the tent sale. These two were ones that we got at 30% off. Oh, and the detail spray. Detail spray we got for free, actually, so that goes here because it was free. But yeah, this was tent sale. This was the just 30% off. And now I'm gonna go through and show y'all everything. Okay, I got it all figured out. Each 16-ounce bottle was $5, and each gallon was $20. The blanket was $20. That was $1. Those were $2, I think. That was $2. That was $2. Each towel was $2. This was $1. But I got 3 detail sprays, including one of the cars and coffee. A tire shine, bug remover plus a gallon, iron remover plus a gallon, tire rubber cleaner, graphene spray coating. I don't know how much that was. I think that was $20. 3 waterless washes, coating prep and ceramic boost, leather conditioner, carpet upholstery, some prep, and so many nozzles. Oh, as well as those towels in there too. Yeah. We kind of made out. Oh! I also got a foldable detailing bench, I guess, and a detail seat. So yeah, we got a bunch of stuff. This was just tent sale. When you go outside the tent sale, these are all 30% off. Carpet upholstery, leather cleaner, mega foam, polish compound, the free detail spray, and even more nozzles. Yeah. Now comes the fun part of figuring out how this all fits in my detailing bay, because I don't know if you guys have seen this. I don't have exactly the amount of space you think I should have. Oh, and we got the buckets too. Okay, heading over into the small garage. Yeah, it's a slight mess. I'm really sorry about this. This is my detailing bay. Yeah, I don't have space. This is also my detailing stuff. Oh, pop. Again, not a lot of space. These are my towels. This is where I'm putting the towels, so I can put all those in there. I don't know what I'm doing with the rest of the stuff. I should explain, the only reason the garage is a huge mess like it is right now is because we are in the process of cleaning it out so that we can put all of the cars in here instead of just 1, 2. I guess first things first is to put everything back in the boxes. I'm gonna put the towels that I have in with the rest of my towels because I think that makes a lot of sense, putting those in with these. And I'm gonna keep trying to use these sealed buckets for my towels because it works a lot better, since sealed buckets mean that towels don't get contaminated. Just put these in there. I do have like wipe out this bucket though. It's starting to get a little bit of stuff in it. More towels. I'm so surprised that these were like $2 a piece, because these are like, they're waterless wash towel. That's only like $15. $2 a piece. Or they're $5 a piece. I don't know. They were money. They were not as much money as they should be. I think these were $2 and maybe this one was $5. I don't know. That sticker might not even go on there. I don't know. And even more towels. These are the ones I bought. These are just stuff I gotta do for like drying and stuff. Yeah. And also half these aren't towels. Like that's polishing pads. That goes over there. And these are cutting pads. And this is a drying towel, so I can put this up with my drying towel. And those are applicator pads. But this is a towel. These applicator pads can go right there. That works. Correction, they're going in the crate for now. They're going in the crate because the crate is a better holder because it can't get knocked off. I'm also gonna put these in the crate because, yeah, these are important for crate stuff. The gallons, I have no clue what I'm gonna deal with, honestly. I guess since there's no cars, I can just put them right there and that works. Those waters should probably be tossed out because they're definitely not good anymore. Anybody want an Adam's bag? Because I know I have 5. Yeah, they're how I keep my dirty towels separate by type, like interior, exterior, except for I've somehow thrown my exterior in with my interior and then engine and stuff. I have to wash them because those are all supposed to go in there. Blanket and hat can go inside. Those need to go in the garage. Oh yeah, that's a detailing stool seat thing. I think I already said that. Okay, it's not particularly good or organized, but there's at least out of the way. So I've got cabinets and such coming next week that I should help my parents put in next weekend. So my project next weekend is going to be putting those tires back on my car, because it should theoretically not be stormy again. Theoretically, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then getting this organized so that it doesn't look like this and it looks like an actual detailing section. And washing those. And washing my car. This occurred to me that this video is only going to be like 4 or 5 minutes long, and that's not fair to you guys. So instead I'm going to entertain you with an idiot trying to put together stools. And this is not going to go well. Where do I even grab this with one hand? Just... Nope, that didn't work. Okay. Huh. You know... Whoa, there's a paint can there. Putting you guys on a tripod probably would have been smarter, but that's fine. Don't fall over. Also want this. Okay, I'll start with this chair first because the chair is fun. Okay, when I said putting together, I didn't think I'd be actually putting it together. It's upside down. Are there instructions? Is that the instructions? That's the instructions. Okay. How's the Skittle? Come on out. Come on. Come on. Come. Get out of there. There we go. Shiny. Unshiny. Why'd they put the wheels in 2 separate bags? That seems like a waste. Oh, because two of them are locking and 2 of them are not locking. That makes sense. I don't think this is supposed to be bent. I don't know if you'll see that. That's bent. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. I think that's supposed to be flat, considering it doesn't look like it goes on any way bent. That's why it's 50 bucks. In the meantime, wheels go on like so. Easy, just like that. A little bit more flat if you can. There we go, that's flat. That works. Putting this one on. I got the first one on just to make sure, because I could do it. It's a little awkward, but it works. That, and the nut goes on like so. Allen wrench 2, socket 2. Oh, stop it. Tight. 3 and 3. And this, that's done. That's the seat. And then those go in like that and get screwed in with some Phillips heads. They're self-tapping. The cup holders, oh, hello. That didn't work. The cup holders are on. That's staying. You take the rod and you put it into the hole, like that. Don't take that wrong. And you got a seat. I got a seat. This is as low as it goes, and then it goes all the way up. Up. Down. Up. Down. But I'm in the chair. Oh, move. Thank you. That's useful. That's actually really useful. And I can do this. This is dangerous. Now I've got a chair. It's time to open this thing. Does this come pre-assembled? This might come pre-assembled. Open. Oh, this comes pre-assembled. Oh, that makes life easy. Okay. Take a seat. How do I... Are you kidding me? It's the bubble wrap that I have the hardest time with. because it's taped together. There we go. And then it unfolds. That's actually sick. So you got this unfolding detail cart, and when you're done with it, oh, so you push it that, oh no, you push it, oh, there you go, you push it down to lock it, and now you got detail in the cart, and a seat. Cool. And then when you're done with it, how do I unlock this? There you go. You lift, and then lift in the middle. Okay. Oh, keep lifting with this. How do I keep doing this? And squeeze sides in, and it folds up flat. How's that? It still stands up on its end. I'm sorry, I'm so happy I got a spinny chair. Oh my god, this thing is I'm gonna throw up. This is lubricated. Alright, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed me being an idiot putting together this thing and that thing, and yeah. If you did, please like, oh, as well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do a little bit of shopping and just going through my stuff. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned because I'm going to be cleaning up that corner. And until next time, goodbye.